Nature. Who tells the birds to fly? Who tells the leaves to fall? Who tells the snow to fall? Who tells seeds to grow? Who manages nature? Everything happens when it's supposed to. It's like an automatic pilot. Humans don't manage like nature. Most people need to be hands-on. We cannot create systems that run on automatic pilot. Our heart pumps blood. Our lungs take in oxygen. Our stomach breaks down food. Our cells help to control energy. We don't need to be hands-on to manage these systems. Even when our bodies get sick, it knows what to do. Humans think they're so smart, but they still have much to learn. They are controlled by basic emotions and refuse to grow up and learn. They do not teach their children how to think and reason. They try to control basic systems instead of making them automatic. When will they develop and become true citizens of the earth and the universe? I still wait for them. I am patient.